Hello folks, today we're going to be doing 4.5b1. This is changing mixed numbers to decimals. So you'll see in this first example, this is already in the form of a decimal. This is a digit. This is a fraction. So you just separate the two and you do the 20/80th. So 20 divided by 80 on a calculator is 0.25. And then you add the 2 in. I call it the Sal Khan. He's the one who Sal Khan, I'll do him from it. We can think of 80 and 37 units as 8 plus 30/70ths. And then if we wanted to make that as a mixed number as a decimal, we could take the 8, which we already know we have, and we can add it to the fraction. So we take our calculator and we just do, 30 divided by 70, which is really just going to be 3/7. And we've got 0.428. So let's take a look. Decimals to a mixed number. Let's round to the nearest hundredths place. That's what they're asking. So if we look at it, we have 0.428. Well, this is the hundredths space right here. I'll just leave that marked on my calculator. And we look next door, and we have an 8. So we can bounce that up to 0.43. So 8 plus 0.43 equals 8.43. Okay, these are going to be some oddball ones. So let's just take a look at number 5 here. So this is going to be 5, and let's do 67/80ths again. So 67 divided by 80 equals, well, we're going to move our thing. We have to go to the hundredth spot. So here's the hundredth spot this time. Right there in the 3. So I'll move that so you can see it. So then we look next door. Is that big enough to make that 84? And yes, it is. 0.84, so it's 5.84. The general rule is if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 0, 0, 1 through 4, you leave the number. And if you have 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you move the number up. And there's lots of fun little sayings for that. I say 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, leave that dude alone for sure. 5, 6, 7, or 8, or 9, move it up one time. Different teachers have different little sayings for that. Some say 4 to the floor, 4 to the floor, and 5 to the sky. So you can choose whichever of those makes sense to you. Okay, let's do a couple more of these. We have 2 and 26/40ths, so we can break that down. We know it's going to be 2, and now this is going to be 26/40ths, so 26/40ths. Let's put that in the calculator. That's just 26 divided by 40. That equals 0.65. 0.65. So that is 2.65. Lost my pen there. 2.65. Let's do maybe one more here. One that we have to do some rounding. 13 looks like it's going to be a rounder. So 3 and 31/60ths, we can make the 3 plus the 31/60ths. Let's just put that in. 31 divided by 60 equals this. Let me erase my arrow so I can move it again. So we're looking at the 100th spot, so let's put my arrow here. Here's the 100th spot. We have to look behind that. Look over here. And that's a 6, so 5 to the sky. So I can move this guy up to 0.52. And then just write it 3.52. Okay. All right, one more. 1 6/50ths down here. So that's going to be 1 6/50ths. 6 divided by 50 equals 112. So that would be 1.12. Pretty simple worksheet. All right, good luck. Don't forget to use a calculator.